my carrot pineapple juice. Cheers. The real deal. So guys, before I get into the recipe, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this nice juice, okay? So let's get into the recipe. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a carrot pineapple juice. Alright, so it's gonna be natural juice. This is my juicer here, so no water, no sugar, just natural juice. So I have at least 2 pounds of carrots, and I have maybe a bit of ginger, and I have some pineapple cubes. So I'm gonna get started. All right, so first I'm gonna clean up the carrots. They're already washed, so I'm gonna get rid of the outer part of it with my knife to remove the edges. All right, so here you go. Let me help the juice up by cutting them a little bit smaller. All right. Knife to remove those edges. This is a fat one, very fat carrot. Okay, this is very fat, so I'm gonna split this also. All right, move these. Can go as is. I hate it when the carrots have so much ugly looking skin. Alright. Move these. You can make so many other juices, guys. It's already washed. I finished. Removed it. Alright, so I am gonna get ready to blend up my juice. Alright. Space. All right. So here we go now, guys. Remember, carrot is good for your eyesight, guys. Pineapple, I was told, is good for infection, and it's really a good combination. So let's get this going. Put this in. You can also cut up the ginger some more. Take the pressure off the juicer. And there you have it, guys. My carrot pineapple juice. My carrot pineapple juice. So I'm gonna get some nice, guys. And my natural juice. I get plenty today. Wow. All natural. That's all natural, guys. Cheers. Real deal. Real deal. Yes, guys, go ahead and try out this natural juice. Look at the beautiful color from the pineapple. So tasty. So tasty. When you make this drink, you will never drink another natural juice on the outside. You will always want to come and make your own. Yes? Nothing is in there. It's only pineapple, carrot, and ginger. Thank me later when you do this recipe. Alright? As I said before, carrot is good for your eyesight, and pineapple is good for a lot of stuff. So go ahead, and it's natural. Ginger is good, all natural. Go ahead and whip up this juice in no time. Alright, guys, go ahead and make this juice. You will love it. Alright, so until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.